Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm Packaging Engineering Manager. I'm an Englishman living here in Paris. L'Oréal wasn't my first choice as an engineer. It's not the first thing we think of as a mechanical engineer. We think usually of aerospace or automotive industries. I went to an engineering school and I had the opportunity to work for L'Oréal as a summer placement. I look after a team of engineers who develop all the new products for skincare consumer products division. As a packaging engineer, you're really working on your domain of expertise, which is the technical conception and realization of new components. We are going to look at a new product development within one of our design agencies. We had a brief from the marketing team to develop a bottle like this. The engineers worked very closely with the design team here to develop a new way of opening the cap to use less material while at the same time keeping a high line speed for our factory production. We're working to reduce as much as possible the environmental impact of our products. It's a fairly new process and it's something which we do with all new product developments now. We work on eco-conception. It's certainly a lot more difficult, but it brings a lot of rewards for the industry and for everybody involved. This is a new way of working and it's the bench model for all future projects which we're going to work on. We're moving to a new way of working, so moving from this global organization into more of a startup-orientated way of thinking. Small teams working with different ways, looking for new technologies, new materials, and to try and advance and then share the information back with the other startups. Within the packaging department, you've got to love a challenge. It's going to be different to something that's already on the market. Whatever's on the market, it's boring, and we don't like boring. We want to develop new things. L'Oréal's way of working is to let people get on and propose their own ideas. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you'll have the opportunity to try. They'll give you what you need to get it done. It's up to you to find the solution. They will let you do that. The idea of being an entrepreneur within a business is something which is really great and something which is absolutely necessary to work in this domain.